Now look here, some types of vectors we will do. Here first vector is our zero vector. What is the zero? As a name also zero. What will be the zero? Here the magnitude will be zero. Okay. So look here, a vector whose initial and terminal points coincide. Initial and terminal point coincide means here we can say this is a initial point and this also a terminal points, both are same. So that time we say these are a zero vector, means we can say a arrow, b arrow, this represent zero vector, or we can say this b vector is 0i plus 0j plus 0k. In x axis direction, y axis direction and z direction, that move is a zero, means we can say if a origin point is given to you and you make a vector with respect to the origin only, that is called a zero vector. Unit vector. Unit vector means as a name also unit. Unit means 1. Unit is what is 1, means its magnitude is 1. It is very simple. A vector whose magnitude is unity. Unity means 1 unit is called unit vector. It is very simple. So a vector whose magnitude, once a vector is a unit vector or not, you have to check. So how we can check? You find a magnitude. You find a magnitude, and if magnitude is equal to 1, then it is called a unit vector. Look here, and you are given and denoted by a cap. Denoted by a cap. A cap means the direction. What is the direction of a cap? Direction will be same as a vector. If a vector is given to you and you have to find a unit vector in this direction, then you can find. Look here how we can find. Look here. Here a cap will be equal to, that a cap means a unit vector in direction of a vector. So that unit vector a cap will be equal to a vector upon modulus a vector. Look here, here a vector and a unit vector both are different. But in the a vector, in the direction of a vector, we can find another unit vector. Look here, as a vector is given here. This is a vector, and another vector you have to find, that is a unit vector. This is not a unit vector, but this is a unit vector. Look here, here this is a, you change in unit vector means its magnitude, whatever the magnitude will be here, magnitude means the distance will be 1. So you convert this vector in a unit vector. Unit vector means this magnitude will be 1. How we can change? By formula you can understand that a cap will be equal to a vector upon magnitude a. Any vector you will divide by a by its magnitude, that will be changed in a unit vector. One question we will take, then you understand. If a is given to you 2i plus 3j plus 5k, this vector is given to you, and this vector, then you have to find a unit vector in direction of a vector. Means a unit vector you have to find, the direction will be same as a vector. How we can find? Look here, first you find the magnitude of this vector. You can find magnitude, you know already, x square plus y square plus z square and root, means x is what is here 2, so 2 square, y square means here 3 square, z square means 5 square and root, so 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 5 square 25, you add, you get root 38. Root 38 is a magnitude, and this vector, a vector, if you divide by a magnitude, that is a unit vector. So this unit vector we say a cap. A cap is a vector upon a unit vector. A determinant, that is 2i plus 3j plus 5k upon root 38. You can separate 2 upon root 38i, 3 upon root 38j and 5 upon root 38k. So this is a unit vector in the direction of a vector. Okay, so all of you understand this. Here we will do the co-initial vector. Co-initial vector means same as the name also. Co-initial, co means same, co means same, and initial means whose the initial point is same, that is called co-initial vector. Two or more vectors having the same initial point are called co-initial vector. Means two or more vectors having the same initial point. Here you can check the example. Here this initial point is this O, and we have many vector, minimum 2. minimum 2, more than 2 maybe also. So OP, OQ, OR, these are the co-initial vector. Now we have the next term is collinear vector. Collinear, linear means what is? A line. In a line. In a line means a parallel. Look here. 2 or more vectors are said to be collinear. Maybe 2 vector and more than 2 also. These are called the collinear if they are parallel to the same line, means these 2 vectors are parallel to the other line, irrespective of their magnitude and directions. Maybe their direction, maybe their magnitude may be changed, but only should parallel. So what is this? Look here, we have 4 cases here. These 2 vectors are parallel, means these are collinear vectors. These are collinear vectors. These are parallel, means collinear vectors. But here you can say the direction is same. Here direction is same, but the magnitude is not same. Next case we check. Here next case, 2 vector we have C and D. Here direction is changed. Here this is east direction, this is west direction. Direction is changed. Magnitude is same here. Next case. Next case we have here the direction is same. Direction is same. Magnitude is same. Then also it is collinear. Okay. Here 2 vectors are given to you. Direction is not same and magnitude is also not same, but they are collinear vector. So we have 4 cases here. These all 4 cases are collinear. So collinear means you check only the parallels. They should parallel vectors. Okay. There we will not check the magnitude, direction. Direction may be opposite, same direction, maybe any direction. Look here. One important thing about this we have, if A and B are collinear. Here collinear means one relation will be here. So what is the relation? Look here. If A and B are collinear, then B equal to lambda A. Here lambda is any number, any real number. Okay, lambda will be any real number. Means if you divide B and A vector, if you divide A and B vector, you get a lambda, means you get any constant value. So how you find out that 2 vectors are collinear or not? These 2 vectors you divide, simply you divide you get a constant number, means you will say that is a collinear vectors. One example we will take here, then you understand. So that first vector is A. A is given to 2i minus 3j plus 4k, and second vector is B, that is minus 4i plus 6j minus 8k, and these are collinear that we have to check. So in collinear we have to divide. How we divide? Look here, this B vector is divided by A vector. B vector is minus 4i plus 6j and minus 8k, and thus A vector is 2i minus 3j plus 4k. What is common from here? You can take minus 2 is common. Minus 2 is common. So if you take minus 2 common from here, you get 2i, and you take minus 2 common means minus 3j, and minus 2 you common take 4k, and then you divide by this vector 2i minus 3j and plus 4k, and this is cancel, you get minus 2. This is lambda and this is a constant, means you get B equal to minus 2a, means you can say A and B are collinear. All of you understand this? So how we can find out that they are collinear? You have to divide only and you can find out.